I'm replacing some brake light bulbs in our Xterra. This is one of the easiest jobs you can do on the car. All you need to remove are these two 10mm bolts. These are lightweight bolts, they're made out of plastic, so go easy on them. And then you remove the housing for the light. To do that, I like to use this kit. It's only about $10 on Amazon, even cheaper than that usually. And it's a couple of low quality pry bars and a metal tool that removes body fasteners. The key to this is that they really are pretty crappy pry bars. They are made out of the type of plastic that they use for the top of milk bottles. So rather than them damaging your car damages them. You can use them to pry all kinds of things off. I find these really useful. And there it goes. There's two pieces you have to pop out on here. One high, one low. And it comes right out. You can see the holes in the body where the little pegs go in. That's what I was just pulling out. And now there's 3 bulbs in here. They're really easy to remove. Just twist them to the left and pull it out. This middle one is the reverse bulb. Okay, so there are 2 different types of bulbs here. The brake and turn bulbs are 3157s, and that center bulb is your reverse light, and that's a 921. They're made by various manufacturers, so if you're just buying them off the shelf, you can use those numbers. Removing the bulbs is very easy. Just grab them and be careful because it's glass, but pull them out, and look at that. I was careful with the body tools, but at least it fell with the inside down. So when you put these bulbs in, make sure that the contacts are facing the right way. You'll see inside the fitting where they go. And this is, there I go again. This is not hard, I'm just making it look hard. You put it in the hole and twist it to the right, and it's back in. Now you line up those little pegs and pop them back into place and put your two 10mm back, and you are done.